Pranjali Best, and today we will going to perform our sixth practical to check the cloud and pour point of a lubricating oil. So this is the apparatus which is known as cloud point and pour point apparatus. By using this apparatus, we can easily check the cloud point or the pour point of the lubricating oil. Now first let me tell you what is cloud point of the oil. Cloud point is that temperature at which oil gives hazy appearance or cloudiness. Now, why oil will give hazy appearance? Because in oil, we know that since oil is an hydrocarbon, so it has a waxy content inside it. So, the wax inside the oil, it start crystallization at low temperature. So, the start of crystallization is the cloud point of the oil. Now, what is pour point? It is that temperature at which oil ceases to flow. So, by this apparatus, we will calculate the cloud point and pour point of the given lubricating oil. Let us see how. This is the oil chamber. Let me show you. This is the oil vessel in which we need to keep the lubricating oil. Now here in this vessel, you can see the mark is present. Till this mark, we need to fill the lubricating oil inside it. After filling the lubricating oil, we have to keep this vessel inside this steel vessel, and then we need to insert this steel vessel inside the ice cup. This is basically an ice cup. Now what is this? You can see inside this ice cup we need to keep the ice so that we can maintain the temperature of the apparatus. Since we need to check the cloud point, so we need to fall the temperature of the lubricating oil. So for that, we have to keep the ice inside the apparatus. Now after keeping the ice and after taking the lubricating oil samples, we will keep it inside the ice cup. So this is the assembly. Now this is the opening through which we can check the temperature of the oil cup. So we can keep thermometer here as well if required. Now how can we check the temperature of the oil? In this way we can check the temperature of the oil. Look, I have kept one thermometer inside the oil vessel. Now you need to keep in mind that the mercury of the thermometer should only touches the oil. It should not touches the bottom of the vessel. Also, the thermometer which we will going to use in this experiment should contain or should cover the range from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 80 degrees Celsius. We need to cover the low range temperature to checking the oil, pour point and cloud point. Now, what we will going to do? We need to start this practical from the room temperature. So at room temperature, obviously we will not get the waxy appearance or the crystallization. As the temperature falls down, gradually we will get a temperature at which the oil starts crystallization. So at the bottom of the oil, we will observe the haziness. So the temperature at which the crystallization starts, we will observe the haziness at the bottom of the apparatus, that is cloudy appearance. So this temperature, we need to note down this temperature as the cloud point of the lubricating oil. After getting the cloud point, we will keep the vessel inside again. Again the temperature will fall since this is an ice cup. So temperature will gradually fall during the process. After every 2 degree fall in temperature, we need to keep out this vessel and we need to tilt this vessel to check the flowability. If the oil flows, then no pour point has observed. No pour point has reached. Again, I will going to keep this inside the apparatus. Again, the temperature will fall down. Again, I need to keep this out and we'll check the flowability. So the temperature at which oil ceases to flow is noted down as the pour point of that oil. Now, what is the significance? Why we are calculating or why we are detecting this pour point and the cloud point of the oil? Detection of cloud point plays an important role in diesel engine system or in petrol engine system. The temperature at which oil crystallizes, if it matches with the working temperature of the machine, then this waxy coating, waxy substance will solidify and it will block the filter screen in the fuel intake system. Moreover, it will also clog and choke the inlet inside the engine oil, inside the engine of the diesel engine system and petrol engine system. Plus, what is the significance use of this pour point? Pour point is basically check to see that at till what working temperature we can use this lubricant as a lubricant. Once the lubricant ceases to flow, then we cannot use this lubricant for lubricating purposes. So pour point plays a significant role in telling us that at what till what temperature we can use this lubricant for lubrication. Whereas cloud point tells us the temperature below which the solidification occurs. So this is how we can do this practical, and that's it. Thank you.